Soccer DBB number 438, and that is 2018 Topps Museum Soccer one box break. Team on the right. Good luck, everybody. One box. Last box was really nice. Let's see if we can keep this going here. Alright, let's see. It is number to 50 base, and that is Roberto Firmino for Liverpool. Alright, next bases are Iniesta for Barca, De Gea for Man U, Aguero for City, and Mane for Liverpool. Alright, first autograph is going out to Bruno Fernandes for Sporting to 75. Bruno Fernandes for Sporting. That's the wrong sleeves here. Top loader. Sporting is Lemieux. Alright, next up is nice. I hope it's a nice patch here. No, but still nice. Man City Kyle Walker, jersey autograph, number 299. Kyle Walker, Manchester City. Nice one. And that is going out to Jonathan. And last one is a patch. Wow, same as before. Come on, give us a nice one now. Ooh, that is nice. 2-color to 25. Mario Götze Dortmund. And that is Frank. Mario Götze for Dortmund. 2-color patch. Nice. Alright, that's it already for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.